Hey everyone, I'm Xoonani. Welcome to my new video. Here you see the Upcrate box for July. I opened it before and unpacked it, but my cam didn't record. This happens sometimes. So I'm sorry for the re-unpacking. Let's have a look inside. And I have to say, first, I was really happy as I saw the tubes. We have this small brush, washi tape, 3 tubes of gouache, 2 are from Le Front Bourgeois Paris in cyan burnt sienna, and a white from Talens, and we have a tube of heavy body acrylics from Liquitex in dioxazine purple. Dioxazine purple? Then I thought, oh no, what can I do? What can I paint with these 3 colors? Without any yellow, for example. And with this small brush, then I looked at the other thing in the box. Nice colorful stickers and beautiful landscapes from Art, which is the featured artist of this month. There came 3 pieces of paper in this size. It's a really nice paper with a bit structure on the one side for watercolors and a very smooth surface on the other for markers, for example. The prompt of the Upcrate battle is Nature is Art. I love the prompt. I forgot. This plastic palette was in the box as well. You see, it's used because I'm done with everything. I realized that the cam didn't record when I started to edit my video, a bit too late. And then I read the bottlepost about the delivery problems right now because of the things going on in the world and the inflation, and that they did everything to create this cool box. After this pseudo unpacking, let's go back to the beginning of my journey and swatch the colors first. On this page, they give examples how to paint a landscape with a very limited palette. And then I was hyped. I couldn't wait to start. This is why I wanted these boxes. Going out of my comfort zone, trying something new and grow on it. Now let's try out what colors are possible with these 3 colors and white. As you can see, I tried out a lot to get a feeling for these colors and to get an idea from a landscape motif. I think this palette can create a mystical, enchanted atmosphere. Let's do it! I never painted a landscape before, I think, almost. Nothing serious in my adult life, I think. I have to say, I love the whole box. Perhaps it's my favorite box so far. I love the prompt, I love the box. I want to paint an enchanted forest perhaps with a bit of mist, and I will start with the background. I'm using a dry brush in between to fade the colors a bit, so I create a misty area. Okay, I really like it, but I want that in this world live a few tree spirits. It's finished and I love it. I want to paint another one. Let's do this. This time I want something with mountains or hills and a lot of sky. Clouds. I can't remember that I ever painted clouds with gouache or acrylics. So it's finished, but I want to have something going on in the sky. I like my second painting as well. Which one do you like best? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and if you haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect time to do it. This would support me a lot. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. Let's look at the final shots and have an awesome day. Yours, Xoonani.